Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well and staying safe. So today I would like to discuss how to build interactive apps with Firebase cloud messaging. So first let me introduce myself. My name is Nabiha Iqbal. I'm a software engineer and I'm currently working at ZONG. So let's come to our topic. So with this picture, every developer can relate this. So sometimes every developer can face some problems, common app development problems like we have updated our app and we have to send a notifications to million of users, and we also want to make sure that a user get a notification. So if we create a service, then we have to write a lots of line of code, and it is time consuming. And being a developer, you know that we have to develop it and then test the code and then maintain it. So it is time consuming and less productive as well, because instead of focusing on our main features of our application, we just in parallel also focusing on the notification code as well, maintain that and also compose the notification. So to solve this problem, Firebase has a solution, Firebase Cloud Messaging. Firebase Cloud Messaging, so why we use Firebase Cloud Messaging? It's basically it's free first, and we can send a notification across any platform using this Firebase Cloud Messaging, like on Android, on iOS, and web on just one click. So or we can also customize the notification content and also add a app icon as well, and also customize it and also notify it in any way what we want. And the most important is that we don't need a coding. We just go to Firebase Console, log in with our Google account, and create a project and just configure it with our Android application and just create a compose a notification and send it efficiently. So let's see how to use Firebase Cloud Messaging. I will demonstrate it to you with a live demo. So here we have an Android Studio and I have created a sample app. So now let's see how can we configure it with our Firebase. So let's first move to the Firebase console. Here it is a Firebase console dashboard, and I have created a sample project. You can create it just to click on the add button and just add some information related to it, and your project is created. So when I click on it, here you can see the left menu, all this stuff, in-app messaging, cloud messaging, all it. But right now I'm just focusing on cloud messaging. So when I click on it, project setting, here you can see all the information related to our project. And this is a main under your apps. You have to add an apps, like I have already added this application sample FCM app that I have just shown you in Android Studio. So let me show you that how can we add it an Android application. So first you need to register an app, and you have to enter an Android package name and also your name. Signing certificate is an optional. So you just need to click on next button, and then JSON file you just download it, and then just copy paste it in the Android Studio app folder under this. Here you can see. So now let's dig in what is in the JSON file. So in the JSON file, we have a project ID that we have just created in our Firebase console, and also all that services and the API key as well. And now the next step after copy paste the JSON file is that we have to plug in it to the Google Services JSON file that we have just downloaded. So what you want to do is you have to just add a Google Maven directory in the build.gradle file. There are two Gradle files basically, at the project level and at the app level. So also the class path added. You have an option for the Java and Kotlin both, and then also apply plugin that for it. Just copy paste that line in here, like I have shown you in the Gradle file. Yeah, implement it, and in the app level as well, you can just add it in the dependencies like Google services. You need to add it. So after that, you just sync the Gradle project after making changes in the Gradle files, then click on next. So here you go. You have done all of the steps that you need to configure SDK FCM in your Android Studio. So just go to the console, and here you go to the cloud messaging tab. Yes. So this is how now we will see how can we compose a notification. So these notifications that I have, so I click on new notification button. So there are just some tabs: notification title, antelope, text, and then image. This is basically with the price plan and optional right now for the free notification name as well. And there is also one more feature that if you want to test the notification down, that how it looks before sending to all users, to millions of users. So you can just connect your application and then send this message as well. Then, okay, so for the sample, I just added data loaded. Okay, I want to notify it to my users. So I click on next button, and then I have to go to the user segment. Here we just need notification. You can see. I think I'm getting some error. So let me show you from here. Yeah. So when you enter all this information here, then you just move to the target. In a target application, what you have to do it, you just need to select application that you want to target and you want to send a notification. Then schedule it. You can schedule it for the now or for the after 1 week or after 2 weeks, and then review it. And then here you get a notification content and a target app that you have target, and then publish it. Just when you publish it, then you can see in the notification on your app on Android device. So here you can see that the notification that I have sent will be shown there in the application. Right now it is a screenshot because due to shortage of time I can't show you the actual notification on my Android device. So this is the total demonstration of the notification. So if you have any questions, then
does the developer have to implement a separate notification class that pulls the backend and informs Firebase?
okay, so like I already mentioned that there is no need to code it. You just go there to the notification, compose notification on the console, and then just publish it. Then it is automatically sent to all users. So no need to code or no need to create a new class for particular to send a notification. You just send it using a console, Firebase console.
So Carl is asking, he's been using Firebase in the app, but sometimes the app doesn't receive the notifications even though it's connected to the internet. What could be the possible issue?
First of all, I think you need to just see the settings in the cloud messaging. Go to that in an Android console. Then after that, you see sometimes it's happened that if you change the signature certificate, if you added that, and after that you change it, then sometimes it happened that you didn't get a notification. So just check that, and after that, if still error comes, then do let me know. You can connect me over the LinkedIn and also the email, then I will help you.